PWA Install Guide. Install ScanSheet as a PWA and use it offline. ScanSheet is a progressive web app. Here is what you get. Install on iPhone, iPad, Android, and manual entry works offline. Type. Home screen icon, full screen mode, no browser. The choice comes down to a few things. Install on iPhone, iPad, Android, and manual entry works offline. Type. Home screen icon, full screen mode, no browser. Ideal for installing ScanSheet on an office, adding a home screen icon for, using ScanSheet on a Chromebook. Quick answer, yes. Chrome, Edge, and other Chromium-based browsers support PWA install on Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS. The app opens. Open ScanSheet free, no app install, no card needed, and start scanning. Scan.SkyCang.com